ready to take control of your network and boost your online security. This video will guide you through setting up your very own Squid proxy server on Ubuntu 18.04. First things first, we need to access our Ubuntu server. This can be done via SSH or by connecting directly, depending on your setup. Once connected, ensure your system is up to date. Then install Squid. Ubuntu's powerful app package manager makes this a breeze. Now, the fun begins. Configuring Squid. We'll dive into Squid's main configuration file to customize its behavior. Here, we can define things like the ports on which Squid listens, the cache size it uses, and rules for who and what gets access to the internet. Let's set up access control. This is where you can filter web content and control internet access. By defining rules, you can block specific websites or limit internet access for certain users or groups. Apply your desired settings. We will address content filtering. This is one of the key features of Squid. Using ACL's access control list and other configurations, we can create rules and filters to block unwanted content. After applying configurations, restart the Squid service to implement the changes. With Squid running and configured, it should now be actively filtering. You've successfully set up and started a Squid proxy server on Ubuntu 18.04. Experiment with all the configurations. You can adjust these settings to match your security and content filtering needs.